Warm greetings to one and all present here. Let me introduce about myself. My name is Mr. A. Jasmine Antoniraj, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. So today we are going to see the lecture series on the topic Business versus Startup from the subject Design Thinking, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. So before going to the subject, or a topic, so we are going to see about the topic and what is the meaning of an business versus startup. So business means basically we can able to give the definitions as an it is an established organization that will provide goods or services for profit. It usually has a stable processes. So business means we need to invent or manufacture some of the products and we need to sell for some ratios of a profit. So next one, we can able to usually have a stable processes. So here we can able to have to do the stable processes in order to get a business to be get an benefit. So next one, we can able to use as to have to defaultly if we have a business, so we can able to have an existing customer and we can able to get an predictable revenue of doing such business. Next one, let us see about a startup. So what is mean by startup means it is nothing but it is a new venture, that is a new idea. So where we can able to bring that an idea from our end, often an experimental built to create a unique product or a service under a conditions of an uncertainty. So here, startup itself, it is a new idea or an innovations where we can able to give the services and under conditions of an uncertainty. Its goals is to have a fast growth and we can able to have an innovations of an idea, not just being a stability. It cannot be able to be a same for all the conditions. So next one, how design thinking helps both. So here, if you are using and implementing the design thinking for your business and for a startup, how can be able to useful in both strategy. So first, let us see about a business. So it can able to improve the customer experience. So by implementing the DT concept in a business, we can able to analyze on what are the pinpoints of a customer, so that we can have to improve their strategy where they are looking for the better options to get an good experience. And next one, we can able to streamline the existing processes. What are the processes we need to go with the business? Next one, we can able to reinvent a product without losing an existing customers. So by having the existing customers, we can able to reinvent the product. Again, we can able to give the new type of a product where the customers is looking for. Next one, for startup. So here, startup, it is used to identify a real problem worth solving. So startup means itself, so analyzing what are the pinpoints of a customers by having an understood what is a real problem, and we can able to give the solutions for their problems, where we can able to give the new ideas to bring their problems to be sought out, and we can able to give the clear solutions. And also it is used to provide a structured way to test the hypothesis. So here for the end levels, we can able to give them structured ways where we can able to test the outcome of the particular solutions. Next one, it is used to reduce as a risk of a failure by engaging the users yearly. So here, then and there, by each stages, we can able to analyze what will be the risk of a failure, so that we can able to give their best conclusions, so that we can able to succeed in our process of doing a startup. Next one, we can able to take an example. So here, if you want to know about a business examples, we can able to take a bank using a design thinking concept to redesign its mobile app for an easier navigation. So if you are going for a bank in a real-time process, so it may take a lot of time. So we have to spend a lot of time. We have to stand in queues and we have to follow the procedures. So instead of doing this by implementing the design thinking concept, we can able to redesign a mobile app. So what will be the information where we can able to start with the mobile app means? So here we can able to check with the users, where we can able to identify